Hello, and welcome to the sixth video in our course on starting a successful 3D printing business. In this video, we'll be exploring the essential software tools you'll need to get your 3D printing operations up and running. The importance of 3D printing software. As you've learned in previous videos, 3D printing is a complex and multifaceted technology. To truly harness its power for your business, having the right software in your toolkit is crucial. From design and modeling to workflow management and file preparation, the software you choose can make or break your 3D printing endeavors. C80 software for 3D design. The foundation of any 3D printing workflow is computer-aided design CAD software. This is where you'll create, manipulate, and optimize your 3D models. Some of the most popular and user-friendly CAD programs for 3D printing include Fusion 360, SolidWorks, and Onshape. These tools provide a wide range of features to help you bring your ideas to life, including advanced modeling capabilities, simulation tools, and seamless file export options. Slicing software. Once you've designed your 3D model, you'll need to use slicing software to prepare it for printing. Slicers take your 3D file and break it down into the individual layers that your 3D printer will use to build the physical object. Popular slicing programs like Cura, Slick 3R, and Processlicer offer a wealth of customization options, allowing you to fine-tune your print settings for optimal results. File management and workflow tools. Efficient file management and streamlined workflows are essential for any successful 3D printing business. Tools like Dropbox, Google Drive, and Microsoft OneDrive can help you store, share, and collaborate on your 3D files with ease. Additionally, workflow management software like Trello and Asana can keep your team organized and on track, ensuring that every project is completed to the highest standards. Specialized 3D printing software. Depending on the specific needs of your business, you may also want to explore specialized 3D printing software. For example, if you're working with metal 3D printing, you might consider using software like Materialize Magics or 3DXpert to optimize your print settings and post-processing procedures. Similarly, if you're focused on 3D scanning, you might utilize programs like Geomagic Design X or Artex Studio. In summary, the software you choose for your 3D printing business can have a significant impact on your success. By investing in the right tools and mastering their use, you'll be well on your way to creating high-quality 3D printed products and delivering exceptional value to your customers. Be sure to stay tuned for our next video, where we'll dive deeper into the process of creating your first 3D model. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to ensure you don't miss any of the valuable content we have in store for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.